follow the road ahead. So at the traffic lights, turn right. Let's go, your filter is on. Follow the road round. End of this road, turn left. So assess, because there's 2 lanes. Keep assessing. When safe, then we turn. Good. Well done. Follow the road ahead. Merging, so check on your right mirror, inside mirror, right mirror. Look again, keep looking, look again, because people merge on this point. Check again, check again, check again. Keep your car to the left. So we slow down here, the fire engine. Now slowly creep forward and follow the road ahead. Check inside mirror when you're increasing your speed. So whenever you're giving gas, check your inside mirror. Right mirror check here, there's obstruction on our side. Right mirror check, left mirror check, follow the road ahead. Right mirror check here, look on the side, look at the big lorry, reduce your speed so he can go to his lane and you go in your lane. Inside mirror check, increase your speed, keep it below 30. It's good speed, follow the road ahead. Now we're going to follow the road ahead. So there's a bus in our lane. So if the bus stops, we're going to go around and merge, okay? So but if you're stopping, leave the 2 car spaces between you and him so you can see his side mirror. Check in your right mirror, inside right. Keep looking for the, look at the white car, look at the black car, in signal right. So we're gonna go around the bus, leave a good gap between you and bus, follow the road ahead. Now inside mirror, left mirror check, come to the left. Yeah, that's good, perfect. Follow the road ahead. So always leave a good safe gap and then you come to the left, okay? Remember, 2 cars length, remember this. Now follow the road ahead.